Oh, oh, major. Oh, $900. Yes, you got it. Happy Easter Sunday, people. So I know we usually want to test this game when the firecrackers are not as sparkly and shiny, but wifey walked by and she thought, ooh, shiny, and she thought, let's play this one. So we know it could be a trick that the machine wants us to try, but it also could mean they're ready to pop. You know, who knows? They can pop at any time. That's what we definitely do know. Start at 1 cent. Change that, perfect, and let's go. Oh, right away. Is the volume up? I think so. Menu. Perfect. Loud and proud. Oh. Wait, oh. Remember we got some crazy triple pops on the last one? Oh. Remember last time we were playing, we said the grand was 22,000. I've never seen a grand. Oh, wow. I never see a grand at 22,000. So like, they're usually, yeah, like a 10, 11, 12. That $22,000 one was absolutely ridiculous. So we're like, it was worth trying it, but we got a lot of good wins on it, a lot of fun. Got the show, oh, $9 one. Oh, that's a good one. But of course it didn't come. It's so fun to start this game with like really big numbers. Yeah. Oh, $30 one, come on now. Oh, there's some huge numbers getting shown. She's betting 260, it's very solid. It's like the bet size I like to do, like $2, $3, $4, $5. But these, oh, minor, come on. Oh, come on, if it's not blue right now, then when? Oh, minor was 60. Now, something's gonna happen over here. Something is gonna happen over here. This isn't like Dragon Link being fake fun. The Dragon Link one baits you so bad. I feel like Bau Zhu usually comes through when crazy stuff happens like this. Those numbers were absolutely massive though. Let's get a triple pop. No, I think 222 is good, yeah. Between that and the one right under it. Okay, I mean, you're getting huge numbers at this bet size, so. See, it keeps jumping at 150 and then like 30 and then 60 and then. Come on. Come on, wifey, I believe. I believe in your skills.
I think every time you say that, I lose.
Wifey said every time I say I believe in your skills, she loses, so. You're terrible at this game. You're a very bad gambler. And maybe you should stick to video games.
Yes.
She said yes. I felt really gross saying that. But she asked for it. Whatever you want, yeah. I mean, you're seeing good numbers here, but. Uh-huh. What's going on back there? Come on, triple. Oh, what the heck was that? That was the weird skip that I did for us last time. Well, they're all three of them are completely full now. Did I time it? I timed it. I timed it perfectly. Good job, wifey. Yes, yes, yes. I like this bet size too, okay? So let's get that grand. Let's see it happen. Wifey. She worked her magic. Is that a turtle? Oh, Lord. A magic turtle riding another turtle. There's a turtle riding another turtle. So double up, and so you get multipliers if you fill up each zone. So we want to do that. Oh, hello? Okay, okay. That's a good one, 5x. Let's get a progressive in there. Yeah, keep it going. All right, all right, all right. All right, all right. Keep it going, wifey, we believe. All right, all right. Downstairs? Okay, okay. We need one more on each green to be multiplied. Okay, all right, there you go. That's whatever that is, times 5. 9, 10, that's $50, I think. Hello, downstairs? Oh, okay, okay, downstairs. Hey, sorry for ever questioning you. Our downstairs neighbors are very nice. Hello? Yeah, yeah, 4x on top. Hello? Okay, I asked for 4x on top. Okay, all right, all right. Oh, you got both the greens. Okay. Okay, okay. Which version of Bau Zhu do you guys like? I mean, there's the crane one and zone boost. I think a lot of people like zone boost. The crane one could be fun because it comes very sporadically. Yes, that one. Oh, oh, major. Oh, $900. Yes, you got it. Yes, you got it. You got it. I'm pretty sure you got it. No, you don't. If you do, it multiplies it. Come on. Nice. Good job. What's my cut on this one? If you get it, it's 5 times. One more. One more. Oh my God, that's so. Yes. Good job, wifey. That would have been 5. I think it multiplies the progressives. Oh, yo, our lucky charm is behind us. Oh my gosh. Can we buy you a beer or something? A glass of wine. We need someone here right now. We're gonna get a hand pay. So, a Sauvignon? Okay, okay, perfect. Is this a hand pay? Right under. Okay, good job, wifey. Nice job, wifey. Just under a hand pay too. Yeah, good job. Good job. High five. She's in shock right now. She's in shock. Good job. We were just talking about that. No, it's 260 exactly. So I said stay at 260. Should I change? I said you're getting some crazy numbers at 1 cent. Just stay over here. Oh my God, she's in shock. Are you in shock, wifey? Is she like? It would have multiplied it, right? If the red one filled in, I think it would have. Wow! Imagine that would have been 5,000. Yeah, good job. Who deserves it? Yeah. It would have multiplied it, right? Yes. Oh my goodness. All right, good job. We got a crowd behind us over here. We got a crowd of. This is something to see, but good job, wifey. What do you say? Backup spin? She says now. Okay. Couple backups, huh? All right.
11,
She wants to do 11. 11 backups, like we always say. Yeah. Okay. So this is number 3. Yes. Wow, we were just walking by and wifey's like, ooh, shiny. What was I saying in the beginning? I just have to rewind the tape because that was absolutely crazy. Oh, again, almost, yes. Where's the drink person? This is number 6. 4 more. Yeah, major back to 500. I saw some crazy activity. I was like, this is the bet to stay at. So that was 8. 9. Yes, of course. Yes. Yes. And then 1 more. Now? Okay, that was awesome. Good job, wifey. Immediately cash out, or not immediately, but after 11. That was a good job. $100 in, 1,000 profit or whatever. She may be even for the day now. Thank you. Good job. We'll see you in the next one.